How to use Brightcove properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Brightcove is a leading video hosting and monetization platform, but beginners often make mistakes that cost views, engagement, and revenue. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is neglecting video SEO. Most people get this wrong by uploading videos without titles, tags, or descriptions. Optimizing metadata increases discoverability and helps videos reach your target audience. Second mistake, ignoring analytics. You won't believe how many users fail to monitor engagement metrics. Brightcove offers insights on watch time, drop-off points, and viewer demographics. Use these metrics to improve content strategy and retention. Third mistake, using incompatible formats or resolutions. The surprising truth is poor video quality or wrong encoding can reduce playback performance on different devices. Stick to recommended codecs and resolutions to ensure smooth playback. Fourth mistake, underutilizing monetization tools. Many creators overlook ad integration, subscription models, or pay-per-view options. Leveraging these features can increase revenue significantly. Finally, neglecting security and permissions is common. Brightcove allows access control for internal or restricted content. Use these settings to protect sensitive videos and avoid unauthorized sharing. By optimizing metadata, monitoring analytics, using proper formats, exploring monetization, and managing permissions, you can use Brightcove effectively. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and your video strategy will be more professional, efficient, and profitable.